everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. So I'm back with another phone giveaway. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but what I have here is a BLU G9, and I'm going to give it out to one lucky winner on August 21st. So the contest is going to run for just over 3 weeks, August 21st, 9 p.m. at midnight. You have multiple ways to enter, but what you're going to need to do is click on the drop down. There's a link there for the gleam.io. You can go there, enter in for the contest. You can come back, get your daily entry, and you be the proud owner of a fancy BLU G9. Now, just to read off some of the specs for you real quick: 6.3-inch HD plus display, premium metallic finish, 271 pixels per inch. That's a 720 by 1520 resolution. It's got the MediaTek Helio P22 8-core processor, 64 gigs of internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM. It has a dual selfie camera with a 52 megapixel super zoom, 13 megapixel selfie camera, fingerprint sensor, micro SD card support up to 120 gigabytes, 4,000 milliamp battery with quick charge, and Android 9.0 Pie. And all of those things, just to go and show, it is a gorgeous looking phone. Really nice, works really well. I did a full review on this phone, so if you want to check out the unboxing, if you want to check out the review, if you want to check out how to install the SIM card and SD card, and I also made a video on installing the glass screen protector, but I already installed it on this one. Ta-da! So whoever gets this, it's already set up, ready to go, glass screen protector installed, accessories haven't been touched. It's just like you're going to be the first one getting it. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments about the contest, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you and answer them if you have any. But again, you got to be 18 or older in the United States. Still not ready to do stuff internationally yet, but 18 years old in the United States. Come back and get your daily entry, get your regular entries. There are no mandatory entries, so you pick and choose your own entry destiny. And then on August 21st at 9 p.m., I'll go in and I will pick the lucky winner based off the random generator on the contest thing. So that's all I've got. Hopefully y'all guys are interested in this. So one lucky person will get the BLU G9. So that's all I got. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Good luck. May the best person win, and I'll see y'all next time.